are living like a robot, just making money and improving professions, career, like this. Only focusing that. Because because I also talked with a lot of Chinese people here in this app. They only want to speak about how to improve English, how to speak English very fluently, and second thing they want to discuss about what's your job, what's your career, what are you doing. Okay, if we speak
Yes.
about okay, if we going to discuss something about friendship or relationship or funny things, the Chinese people will escape from the VR.
Yes. To be honest, sometimes I don't want to hello talk because if you go to each room, the
Yeah.
many question and very common. This question is common. What's your job?
Oh my
What's
God.
your age? And what's the topic? I think it's so boring.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, that's correct.
Yes.
Yeah, that's correct. That's why I really felt bad.
Yes. But if you want to if you want to understand this person, maybe you also want to ask her this question.
Yeah, but after only three questions people ask normally, like
Yes.
what's your name, what are you doing,
Yeah.
how
Yeah.
are
Yeah.
you. After they will leave the VR, wasting our time. They will leave the VR.
Yes. Yes.
That's the problem. Only three questions. What's your name? What's your job? Like this.
Yes. Also, I hate this question, but sometimes I think this question was so common and must.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Do you for now do
For
you
now,
still go to for work?
sorry.
I mean, now do you go to for your work?
Yeah, I'm still working. Just because I got a free time. That's why I just joined the VR.
Mm. You just mentioned you work in the largest company, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, southeast, south income company.
Because um we often send some goods to different countries, so we often use DHL, FedEx, and so
Okay,
on.
what are your product? What are your product? Which product your company producing?
Mm, well, for me, I often use DHL.
You working in DHL?
Mm,
What type of company you are?
my company exports some car component to another country, so we often use DHL, FedEx, and
Ah,
yeah.
okay. Right.
So you work in the international logistic company and just your local logistics company.
I am working in a international company.
Okay.
Okay.
That's right. All right.
Yeah. Working in international company. It's a steel factory.
Do you are you busy?
No. Why? Why? Why do you ask like this? I'm not busy.
Maybe maybe your work is very relaxed.
No.